Direct in off the last owner. It's a pod exchange that we've taken in. These really are very, very popular. Normally we don't retail older cars to this sort of age, however, because this is such a lovely, lovely example with just 66,000 miles, we're offering it for retail, and we've done quite a bit of work to it, so we'll show you that as we go along the car. Fiat 500 pop 1.2, around 70 brake horsepower, Tech House grey, which I think is a great colour, looks fabulous on the car. 2011 61 plate. We've got quite a lot of history to it, lots of paperwork to it, so ideal first car, low insurance, just £35 road tax. Good size boot on these vehicles for the size of the car. And look at that beautiful interior. You've got the oyster and the grey interior. I absolutely love the combination. More of that later. So good size boot. Comes with a spare wheel, emergency spare wheel, get you home. All the toolkit there complete. Very clean, just the odd one or two marks around there, but nothing major at all when you consider the age and the mileage of the vehicle. It really is very, very nice all the way around. It's got the plastic wheel trims on there. Good tyres all the way around. No major dents, scratches or scrapes all the way around. It's got the 500 bump strips on the side of the doors, just to give that a bit of protection. The near side front wheel trim and tyre again, as you can see, plenty of tread all across the front, lovely and clean. Surprisingly how few stone chips there are across the front of it for the age of the vehicle, so very, very clean and tidy all the way around. Hence we do the videos to show you how nice all our cars are. So it might be older, it might be cheaper, but it's about the quality and the value of even some of the older vehicles that we sell. So again, a good close-up of the driver's wheel, and again the tyre there, as you can see, plenty of tread all down the sides, lovely and clean. Again, nice wheel, clean, plenty of tread there. Just a little more down the bumper corner, but let's show you what we've done underneath it. Most people have never seen under cars, but there we go. That is the rear axle, which on Fiat 500s are prone to rotting away. So if you look at one of these, that axle will 9 times out of 10 be rusty and rotten. We've replaced a complete new axle, new brake pipes. This was also had a new road spring as well, and all the underneath, as you can see, is in great condition. We've also under sealed it to protect it, to give it even longer life. No oil leaks or anything underneath, as you can see. Nice condition all the way around. Lovely and straight, not been knocked about underneath either. Hence we decided to spend the money on it. So we've done the rear axle, we've done the road spring, we've done the brake pipes, we've just serviced it. We've also replaced the cam belt, which again is very, very important on these. And in fact this was ready to go, so we've replaced the cam belt as well, so you haven't got to worry about the cam belt being replaced in the future. All the door trims lovely and clean, no damage to those. Electric mirror adjustment there, and this beautiful oyster and grey interior just sets it off nicely, makes it nice and airy. 4-seater. Look at the condition of the upholstery, no rips, no tears, no burns. Very, very good condition all the way around. All the dashboard, again nice two-tone, and of course the steering wheel in the oyster colour. It really does lift the car, I think. The two-tone contrast, and again the dashboard lovely and clean, not being knocked about or bashed. $66233, that's all it's done. 66233, so very low mileage for its age. Radio and CD. All the heater controls there. 5-speed manual gearbox. Got the menu option there. and you've also got the city button on this. You press the city button and the steering is so light, just makes it easier to maneuver, especially in tight spaces. Just literally one finger, making it so much easier to maneuver in tight spaces. That steady button is a great feature actually. So there we have it, our little Fiat 500 with just 66,000 miles, ideal first car, low insurance, low tax of just £35, all the work done, ready to drive away. You can reserve this car 24/7, click and reserve, come and collect from our showrooms in Stoke on Trent. We can arrange home delivery, ask us for full and further details how that operates. Read about our raving fans reviews and understand our customers come back to us time and time again over generations. So even with some of the older cars, you can see the standards that we go to. Specialist Cars established since 1997, a multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke on Trent. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Remember, you can reserve this car 24/7, click and reserve, and remember our full money back guarantee. If you feel the car is not as described, we'll happily refund your deposit, no questions asked. Any further information, please feel free to give us a call on 01782 822 700. We're open Monday to Saturday. Thanks for watching, see you soon.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple, we've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you, give us a call 01782 822 700.